Hey guys, today I will show you how to fire the capture net in Monster Hunter World. First, make sure you have the capture net selected in your item bar. You get it early in the game and it has infinite uses so you never need to craft more. Next, press E on your keyboard to equip it. Hold the slinger aim button to bring up the reticle. Make sure you pay attention to the reticle. If it glows, that means you're in perfect range to capture your target. Fire the net at small creatures like birds, insects, fish, or other endemic life. Quick tip, you can use the capture net for fishing. It is a great alternative to the fishing rod and much faster, especially when you need fish for quests or crafting. And that's how to fire the capture net in Monster Hunter World. Thank you so much for watching.